Let's learn how to use NIMAX to update the software set of your academic RIO. Find your academic RIO and select software and right-click it for Add Remove Software. Enter your admin credentials. We're going to click Next one time and take a look at your list. And what you want to do is identify which add-ons you need to either select or deselect. You can choose more than one. As an example, I want to install HTTP client with SSL support. Click Next to confirm. Everything looks good, and then Next one more time. This process takes a while. It's about 7 minutes roughly. I'll be fast forwarding here to not use up too much of your time in this video. Right about now, you'll see it pop up the MyRIO USB monitor. You can just do nothing. For a while now, you'll notice that your status LED is blinking a 3-blink code. And after some time has elapsed, we see that the status LED is now solid orange. And the monitor comes up again. We simply do nothing. Wait a little bit longer, and we see the status LED is turning off. And then we get the confirmation that the target has been updated successfully.